thing I really love about just going out for a ride without any plan is everything feels spontaneous and exciting. Come on then. Yeah, come on then. The English countryside is beautiful, and I don't think that when you live in a country you often don't appreciate it enough. $50 miles an hour. 50 miles an hour, that's the speed limit, right? What am I doing? 20 miles an hour. What the f is going on? Why do people slow down and panic when they see a motorcycle coming up behind them? It's not like that we're all hooligans and going to smash your mirrors in as we come in past. Just acknowledge we're there and just drive normally, you know? There's no need to speed up or slow down or act a twat. What's this here? What is this here? Something up there. Rufford Country Park's up that way, but that looks like, what's that? Manor Farm, that's not it. Well, we started off today thinking we're going to go to Sherwood Forest, but I might change my mind. There's this place called Rufford Country Park, and that looks pretty cool. So let's see what this is about. Straight through. Oh, cheers, mate. Motorcycle. So hiya folks, in a change to what I said earlier about going to visit Sherwood Forest, well, it's not really changed completely. This is still part of Sherwood Forest, but this is Rufford Abbey Country Park. So we're not going to see the major oak today, but we are going to see a stately home and some really nice parklands. Hey, here we go. You're coming with me. First of all, here we go, here's some rules. Welcome to Rufford Abbey Country Park. You've got keep all dogs on a lead, do not cycle in the park, no barbecues and overnight camping. So how you doing folks? We're heading towards this lovely stately home, which hopefully on the GoPro you'll be able to see coming up in front of you. Now I don't know if parking's normally free, but they just waved me in when I was on the motorbike. I've no idea whether you've got to pay to get inside here or around the grounds, but we'll have a look, shall we? tell you what folks, I've got a weird feeling I've been here before, and I think it's because I have. You alright? There you go, Chalice Mead. Is all that locally brewed and distilled?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm not saying locally, but most
Yeah,
of it is.
most of it, yeah. So I came out today thinking I was going to have a brand new experience, go somewhere I've never been before, and as I've been walking around, it started to feel familiar, as though I have been here before. And it's not because of past lives or anything like that, it's because I'm 99.9% positive I have been here before, at least once, as a child. Even though I grew up from down south, I recognise all of this. I recognise it, and it's not from films or anything like that. I've actually been here. I know I've been here, whether it's on a school trip or I did have some friends who moved up to this neck of the woods when we was young, and we might have been when we visited them. But it's all so familiar. I've definitely been here before. In fact, I actually have some pretty vivid memories of the place as well. Here you go, I'll take you on a little tour of what I remember. So this little courtyard here, I'm pretty sure they had some puppet show or something going on. In either this corner, it was either this little courtyard here, or it was out here, in that corner there. And I've definitely been here before. Without a shadow of a doubt, I have been here. And like I said, it's not because I've some past life or anything like that, it's because I was a kid and I visited here, but I'd forgotten about it completely. Or I didn't know what the place was called. One or the other. And I remember we had bows and arrows, you know, them fake bows and arrows you get at, in various places around Nottingham, where they're got fluffy green handle and arrows with red little sucky bits on the end. Yeah, I remember playing bows and arrows in here and getting told off because I had some mates down there and they were firing up at us and we were firing down at them, pretending we was defending the castle. Brilliant. So this has been Wanderlust Wednesday, or Wayfarer Wednesday, depending on whatever you decide to call it from the last video. In fact, you can also decide in this video as well what I'm going to call my my motorcycle tours on Wednesday. Would it be hashtag Wayfarer Wednesday or hashtag Wanderlust Wednesday? You decide. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and remember, if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care, folks.